The amazing septic tank and soakaway kit is an incredible product. Not only will it save you thousands and thousands of pounds in installation costs, but it's also really easy to install and it's building regs compliant and it fits neatly into any garden. So what's included in this amazing septic tank and soakaway kit? Well, it comes with absolutely everything. It comes with a heavy-duty shallow dig septic tank, no concreting required. It also comes with a German inspection chamber, all the pipework and all the connections. And it also comes with the septic tank drainage field crates with free membrane. And the best part is, it only takes a few hours to install. So how do you install the amazing septic tank and soakaway kit? You put the pipe in the first trench and this will come from the house into the first hole. Into that hole, then you put the septic tank and connect the pipe to it. Then you connect the inspection chamber to the pipes, which then just slot straight into the septic tank. Then you insert the drainage field crates into the hole and put the pipe from the inspection chamber in to one of the drainage field crates. Then you cover with membrane. That's it. Job done. This septic tank and soakaway kit is easy to install. It will save you thousands in installation costs. And it can be installed in any size garden, small, medium or large.